Hello guys, in this video I will try just to explain the Dow Jones Industrials 30 stocks and its relation to the index itself. Okay, this index, which is called Dow Jones Industrials, has 30 stocks. Now these 30 stocks are different because each stock belongs to an industry that it is different from the others. Okay, we try to see the movement of price from the index and then we go to the stocks themselves. Okay, now in order to understand how things move, we should use the virtual lines, the resistance line and support line. Okay, we begin with this. This is the resistance line. I always put with blue, and this, let's say here, is the support line, the first support line. Now the Dow Jones index, all the stocks, most of them, they were trending into a range, and then one day we have the correction that you see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 5. This is when we have the big correction. Now what does it mean, a big correction? Big correction is when there is a big sell off in the market. It's sudden. Okay, it comes just few days and it takes a big chunk of the market profits by going down. But after that we see that there is like a new trend up. Okay, so this is for the Dow Jones. Now what about the stocks that are in? As I told you before, the majority of the stocks do the same as the Dow Jones, but they are different in their way, what they have been doing before. Are they doing the same as trending into a range and then they fall and then they go up, or each stock is doing other thing? Now we have another support line here that is new. Okay, it's a new support line that the market has done in 24th August. As I told you before, 24 August is a major day in the market. You should always remember that. After 24 August 2015, on Monday, things change, go up. And I have done more videos before explaining how to get opportunities to buy from here. Okay, and I have made my training level on how to buy from support line. Okay, and I explained everything into detail for those who are interested to know more about each stock. Okay, now let's go to the 30 stocks. We begin with the first one, GS, Goldman Sachs. Okay, Goldman Sachs, this is the resistance line, this is the support line. It goes down. This is 24th of August, as I told you. Okay, here, but it makes another support line and then it goes up. Okay, it was very hard for this broker. Second, IBM. This is 24th, as I told you before, 25th, 24. It trended into a range and then it falls. MMM. Now try to see this stock, which is called 3MMM. Now we see that MMM is going down for a long time. It's not just from these it wasn't trading into a range, this stock. So this stock has a downtrend before. Okay, so even by going down, it did the same, going down, going down, going down. Okay, although it stops, okay, here, and in 24th August, and it's trading into a range for a little bit and goes up. But we don't know if it continues or no, because it has a very long downtrend. Boeing, okay, it's trended into a range little bit. It's like the Dow Jones, and we see that we have the new support line, and then it goes up. So this Boeing is doing the same as the index, although Boeing is in an industry called aerospace defense products and services. Okay, NKE, this is different. Okay, this is different because this stock, NKE, most of the people know about this because it's a sport shoe clothing. So it was in a uptrend, okay, which is different from the index itself, and it is in the textile, apparel, footwear, and accessories. You see here how it is so different from the index itself. That's why I told you always that you should see the industry itself of the stock before you see the larger index that it is in. So here is the 24th. Okay, 24th is here, support line, but it continues going up. See, it follows the trend. There is the big correction. It continues going up. Now, the thing is, it might be going up and continue its trend, because this is just something that it is sudden, happened to all stocks, and then the stocks continue where it was going before. Okay? Now, Home Depot, you see, trending into a range, and then we have these 3 days. This is the new support line, and it continues doing the same as it was before, which is trending into a range because it doesn't go nowhere. UNH, the same thing, trending into a range. Then we have this 24, and then it goes up again, doing what it was doing before. Apple, it was trending into a range, then it goes down. This is the 24 August. Now, why I specify always this 24 August? Because it's the bottom of the market. Okay, so take this 24 August as a pivot point where you can see where the stocks go. Disney, it was going in an uptrend, which is different from the market, which is very good, and then suddenly it goes down. Okay, but it goes down before the correction of the market. It means there is something wrong happen to Disney company before the thing. So it's different. And we have this one, TRV, Travelers Companies, which is trending into a range and then it falls. So hope you have an idea about things. Please comment, thumb it up, subscribe, and please check my training levels on the website. Thank you very much and have a nice day.